Hey, what's going on, Facebook, YouTube? Doing them both at the same time. Hey, today, what I want to talk about today is it's about quitting. Quitting. A lot of times when we quit something, that's not the fix. Quitting sometimes, when stuff gets hard or we're not succeeding, inside our business. We'll say, enough is enough. Maybe this isn't for me. I'm just going to get out of it. I'm just going to quit. And a lot of times that's not the fix. Actually, what it does, it makes it worse. It makes your situation, it makes things worse, because you're still going to be connected to whatever you're involved in. If you're interested in marketing, if you're interested in a particular business, a particular niche, you're always going to be connected to it. And you're going to always see people that is making it happen. You're going to see people that's succeeding. You're going to see new people come on the scene and make this work for them. So it's not the fix. Quitting is not the fix. The best thing that you can do is stick with it. I mean, that is the absolute best thing that you can do, is stick it out. Learn the things that you need to learn to be successful, because quitting is only going to sit on the inside of you and make you feel like, I don't have what it takes. And actually, in reality, you have every tool inside you to be successful. All you got to do is find those tools. All you got to do is look through that toolbox and find the right tool for the right application, and you're going to find that success. So don't quit. Just don't quit. So when you don't feel like making a video, make that video. When you don't feel like getting on a webinar, get on the webinar. Because you got into whatever you got into. Why? In the beginning, you had those aspirations. You had those, you had that desire. Just rekindle that desire. Find something inside of you to rekindle that desire, to keep you from, putting it to the wayside, to keep you from, quote unquote, quitting, whatever you're doing. Because, like I'm saying, it's not going to make it better. Like for me, when I came inside marketing, did I know everything, or do I still know everything? No, I don't. But one thing that I don't do, I don't quit. I don't care if I don't get anybody in my business. I don't care if no one is looking at this live video. I don't care if you don't even look at a video of mine. I never quit, because I know if I keep going, yes, I'm gonna have people starting to look at my content. Yes, I'm gonna have people joining my business. So I don't quit. It's a process. And anybody that you work for, what if they would have quit? The company, before the company got off the ground, I'm sure your company didn't start out with, if you work for a company or anything, whoever you work for, I'm sure it wasn't all roses in the beginning. But what if they would have quit? You wouldn't be working where you are now if they would have quit. But somebody stuck it out. They went through the tough times. They went through the times, the formative years, the formative times. And that's what you have to do, inside your business. Just look at it as these are formative years. Whether it takes, a month, whether it takes a year, whether it takes 5 years, whatever, stay with it, because, you're going to look back and you're going to progress, and you're going to look back and remember, what? I remember a time when I didn't have nothing but 20 subscribers, say on my YouTube channel, or I didn't have nothing but 20 people following me on my Facebook business page, or my wall, whatever, my Facebook page, whatever. It'll be a time, if you stay with it, it'll be a time to where you'll look back on the process. You'll look back on that process and say, what, I've grown. When I come into this, I thought, hey, I'm gonna go straight to the top with this and go straight to the top in that, because of my excitement. But reality slaps you in the face, and you realize, this is a process. So I never quit. But one thing, about me, you know, when it was a webinar going on, I was on it. You know, I remember one company I was in, you know, before I got into the attraction marketing, back when I used to beg and drag people to meetings and all this crap. You know, we would have Super Saturdays. I'm like a couple 100 miles away from my home. I would jump in my car on a Saturday morning and I would ride to them. Excited. I mean, excited. And, you know, I just never quit. I was always involved in something. Always just doing something, you know, to progress, to make my business grow, to acquire this knowledge. I mean, if you look at the average millionaire has been in several ventures, opportunities. They failed, but they get back up and they keep going until they hit it, until they figure this thing out. And that's the attitude that you have to have when you're, you know, when you're in this process, when you're, you know, when you're building your business. Just remember, it's a process, and do not quit on the process, because that process is necessary. I mean, it is 100% necessary in your success, because the process is going to make you appreciate when you get to where you're going. When you look back, you're going to appreciate the process, because if it was given to you on a silver platter, you wouldn't appreciate the process. So when things are not so good, when things are not happening as fast as you want them to happen, just remember, it's the process. It's building appreciation. So always remember that, and just never quit on the process. But that was my rant for the day. You know, but just never quit. Just never ever quit. But this is Micah White. I'm getting ready to sign off. Hey, wherever you're looking at this video, hey, go ahead and either subscribe to my channel, like my page, check the description out. You know, if it's on YouTube, hey, hit the bell notification, be notified of any new videos that I put out with some blazing content. And also, if you need an opportunity, check my description out. Hey, you know, check it out. Want to link arms with me? Hey, let's do things, and, you know, let's build a business together. But this is Micah White. I'm signing off. Hey, until the next video, people. Peace and prosperity.